Helen from Twinkl. Today we're going to look at the biscuit recipe cards that we have available on our website. They are fantastic. They can get children baking. Baking is a wonderful thing for children to do. It develops so many different skills. It allows children to use the knowledge that they have and apply it by counting, measuring, following instructions, taking direction and understanding cause and effect. Of course, it does encourage thinking, problem solving and creativity. Shall we make some biscuits? Using just 5 ingredients, children first need to measure out their ingredients. They then cream together the butter and the sugar. Once they've done that, they add the egg yolk and the vanilla extract and finally the flour until they make a dough. Once they've made a dough, they can roll it out. If they don't have a rolling pin, they can just use their hands to flatten it. They can use a cutter to cut out shapes or roll it into a ball and flatten it with your fingers. Following the instructions, you bake them for 15 minutes at gas mark 4 or 180 degrees centigrade until they are cooked. After they are cooked and cooled, you can decorate them if you'd like to, or you can simply enjoy them. Whilst mine are baking, let's have a look at what we could do with the recipe cards. Children could create a little booklet with all the cards in, so they have a recipe booklet to follow time and time again. They could also sequence the instructions. You could cut the picture off and just have the text to make this a little bit more tricky. They could put the dry ingredients in a jar and give it to someone as a gift. There are so many different things in which you can do. Children, once they have made their biscuits, can try and recreate the recipe, writing their own set of instructions. They could illustrate these to make them even better. The only thing left to do is to enjoy your biscuits. If you like this video, why not check out our other videos? We've got loads of them available on our website. Head over to Twinkl and search for Twinkl Teachers. We've got video lessons as well as lots of explainers. If you like our ideas, why not tag us on Instagram at Twinkl Teachers? We'd love to see you try out our ideas. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.